Alright, this bike was brought to us by a concerned customer over rattling noise every time they take off. I reckon it has a lot to do with that really loose chain. What's up, big dog? Yeah, move this soft tail first. Oh, this thing's fucking heavy. Milo, move out of the way, Papash. Over here. Got it? You got it? You got it. Milo, get out of the road. Let me get that 22.
Yeah.
You got that 22? Watch your fingers, dude. Wow. This is fucking loose. Oh yeah, baby. Chain's feeling better, but tight spots. Time for a new chain, buddy. Alright, customer has agreed to a new chain. So let's get this done and then we'll do the service on this bike. Brand new chain going on this cunt. No master link, no problem. No problem. No problemo, man. No problemo, man. No problemo. Hello, catch. Got no use for this shit, so in the bin it goes. Probably take this cover off so I can see what I'm fucking doing. Alright, let's figure out where we need to cut this some bitch. There we go. Alright, now we slap these two back together. Much better, dude. Tighten all this up and we'll finish up the service here in a second. Give these a little snug. Alright. Click. That on there. Click there. Yeah, I was just telling Boss Man that I probably look like an absolute jackass with people rocking up to the shop and I'm doing services in sunglasses. Alright, let's crack this thing up. Whoa, that is loose, dude. Be certain. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Lick. Oh. All right, let's button her back up. This thing on the fire. Hello, big dog. Looking good. Done. Cafe racer, hey. Dog. Yeah, we're done, huh? Yeah.